course, they want to ask questions. They are curious. All this is part of the childhood development. They need to develop, and you are the professional there to help them develop. You are their teacher, you are their sister, you are their cousin, you are their friend, you are their everything at that point. So please bear in mind. Then when they are of school going age, 6 and above, they want their independence. So if you stayed long enough with the same family, you realize that child that was so clingy, following you around to ask questions, now wants his own playtime, wants to do things by himself, wants to be in his room. You have to understand all these different age groups. And again, this is very generic and based on very generic data. It could be different for the child that you're handling. So keep in mind to be observant and adapt accordingly.